Wake up. Your mind is the only thing stopping you. Did you know that most people are sleeping on their potential? They walk through life half awake, too afraid to break out of their comfort zones. But if you're watching this, it means you're different. You're ready to wake up, to push yourself, to do whatever it takes to build a powerful mindset. I'm Harry, and this is Vision Summary. Here, we don't settle for the ordinary. We break down life's toughest challenges and find ways to rise above them. If you're ready to take control, to start shaping the life you've always wanted, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to build an unbreakable mindset, one that'll fuel your success and set you apart. 1. The raw truth about discomfort. You want to grow? Start by getting comfortable being uncomfortable. If you're only doing what feels good, you're going nowhere. Real growth is painful. It's waking up at 5 a.m. to push your limits. It's saying no to distractions. It's doing what no one else will. Because while everyone else is coasting, you're getting ahead. Think about it. When was the last time you did something that scared you? Something you weren't sure you'd even survive? 2. The brutal power of self-discipline. If you want success, you need relentless self-discipline. Not motivation, not inspiration. Discipline. Motivation fades. But discipline? It's there when the alarm goes off. It's there when you're tempted to give up. Self-discipline is choosing what you want most over what you want now. And why average people stay average. You want to stand out? Develop discipline like it's your lifeline. Because in many ways, it is. 3. Destroying limitations with a growth mindset. A strong mind knows that failure is a step forward. People with a growth mindset don't back down when they hit a wall. They learn how to break through it. When you fail, when you mess up, that's your chance to get better. Every obstacle, every setback, it's a lesson waiting to be learned. The question is, will you face it or run from it? Ever hear a successful person blame someone else for their failures? Number, they own it. So, what's stopping you from doing the same? 4. Visualizing the future. You want visualization isn't wishful thinking. It's seeing your goal, your vision, with absolute clarity. So clear that it's already real in your mind. If you can't see your ideal life, if you can't feel it deep down, you'll never chase it hard enough. Picture it, live it in your mind, then go make it happen. Imagining is the first step, but there's more. Habits make you who you are. The small actions you repeat every single day build your reality. Success doesn't come from one huge win. It's a result of consistent, unbreakable habits. So build the right ones. Do it even when you don't feel like it. Do it when no one's looking, because that's where real strength is born. Still brushing it off as not important? Think again. Your habits are the foundation of your success. Thank you for watching Vision Summary. If this message resonated with you, please consider subscribing and sharing this journey with others who are ready to make a change. Let's keep building each other up and striving for greatness together. Your support means the world to me, and I look forward to growing with all of you. 6. Surrounding yourself with strength. The people you let into your life shape your mindset. If you're around people who complain, people who settle, people who fear, you'll become like them. Seek out people who push you, who make you better, who demand more of you. Because a strong mindset isn't built in isolation. It's forged by iron sharpening iron. And there's one last shift that will lock all this in place. 7. Commit to lifelong resilience. Here's the truth. This isn't a journey with an endpoint. A strong mind never stops growing, never stops pushing, never settles. Real warriors know that evolution is a way of life. Commit to relentless growth. Commit to resilience, and you'll find strength you never knew you had. Conclusion and call to action. So, are you ready to change? Are you ready to stop wishing and start doing? Because the only thing standing between you and greatness is your mindset. It's time to stop making excuses. Embrace discomfort. Build habits. Commit to a path few dare to walk. And when it's time to recharge, check out my video on how to improve mental health. You need mental health breaks so you can keep going strong. Tap the screen now to watch. Thank you for watching Vision Summary.